All right, I'm going to take a look quickly at Robinhood stock. When it comes to IPO stocks, you usually want to wait a little bit for more data before making a decision. And that would have been good in this case over here because whoever bought in that first candle is sitting in the red right now because as of the close in the aftermarket of $34.85, it's lower than the low of this first candle, which was $35. And the high of this candle was $38. And that high of that second candle was $40.25. Whoever bought within that first 10 minutes and held is still in the red. Now, obviously, you could have bought and made a quick flip. So that would have been a different way to play it if you were quick with that. But you got to be quick. You got to be a little bit of a gambler. And you might have to be a little bit of a pro in order to capitalize on a move like that quickly. You got to react. You got to react fast. You can't think too much. You got to know your levels, your get in and your get out price. But it is risky playing an IPO. Now, I did put out a call on this later. All right, right over there. I have it on my Instagram story, okay? You could check it out before it disappears. And I said, okay, now we're setting higher lows in the 5-minute. Higher low. Higher low, and we're showing some strength over there. And I noticed there was this little bit of a volume spike on this candle. So I figured the market makers were going to put these guys that sold to suck them back in to make any shorts that shorted over here to fake them out into buying their positions back higher and taking a loss on the short. And that's what this was. And I was looking for, because I saw this, and we kept hitting those higher lows every 5-minute. And right over here is when I said sell, because I saw this volume spike, and I said, okay, that's when a lot of people just jumped in. We're at least going to see some consolidation. You could see this on my story, and because I saw this spike, and I said, okay, we're at least going to see some consolidation, in which we did. We went a little bit higher in that second candle, but no follow through. I was looking for a handle and then maybe a bullish breakout, but it made a handle, and then there was no follow through, and it kept setting those lower highs on the 5-minute. And then when it did break that lower high pattern on the 5-minute, there was no follow through. It made a little bit of a falling wedge. People thought there was a breakout here. You see that, and then upper wicket profit taking, and then it went down the rest of the day. So there's clearly is some resistance now in this stock because whoever bought in that first 10 minutes is sitting in the red, and that's where the bulk of the volume is right now. And there's some clear resistance areas now to look at. We got 38.10, we got 36.85, we got this resistance right over here, 35.72, and our support is the low of the day, 33.35. You could try and bottom fish off of that area tomorrow, see if it could hold that area for a little bit of a double bottom on that hourly chart potentially. But the hourly, as per the aftermarket, it looks a little bit like a bear flag and doesn't look too strong. And I know a lot of people are bearish on the stock and they want to short this stock just because they don't really like the company. And apparently a lot of insiders are allowed to sell as well, to my knowledge. So that's what's providing pressure on the stock right now. I haven't looked into the fundamentals as of now, but the stock is trading less than its IPO price or than its mark price. And, you know, sometimes these new stocks come out and they're up 30, 40, 50% on the first day from their mark price. This stock is actually trading down. It's a little thing telling me I should sleep earlier on my phone, but usually it doesn't happen. But so I don't know. I'd have to look into their fundamentals a bit more. I would want to see this support hold if I was looking bullish on it. And if not, then I want it to find a clear support with a high volume spike, ideally at least on the 15-minute. Nice big support level, high volume spike, and then double bottom off of that area before I would feel comfortable going bullish. Or you buy around this support area and look for a double bottom off of there. But like I said, the hourly doesn't look too strong and too promising right now. And a lot of people who bought in that first 10 minutes are already sitting in the red. So we'll see how this goes tomorrow. We'll watch this range tomorrow for potentially clues. I would lean bearish on it as of now, but I said there is those bullish trade potential setups. If you are looking to potentially enter a position, I would look into the fundamentals. I'm sorry I didn't do them in this video for you, but I would look into the fundamentals and see Does the company look like a fundamentally good value company? Because regardless of whether people like the company or not, a lot of people are still using the platform. This company may still be making a lot of money. I don't know, but you should look into it. And if they're making a lot of money and it's somewhat fairly valued and there is growth potential there still as well, you know, it may be a good buy on this, you know, spite that people have against this company. It may actually present a good buying opportunity. So I'm not saying that's the case for sure. I would want to watch those levels. I want a clear support level to be established, clear stop loss area, so that I know if I were to get in a trade, I know my exit point, and my exit point isn't too far from my entry point in case things don't go my way. So that's what I'd be looking for. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you make some money. Enjoy your night. I think this is the last video I'll make tonight. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. Please like the video. Check out my Instagram and check out my website as well. And the course, I'm doing a big sale this month. Mid-August, with a 1 year of subscription, and you won't want to miss it, because if you like my videos and you think I do a good job here, what I'm doing there and what I offer in the course and everything else, it's even more, taking it even further. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.